Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Yucatan Store cutting board. This is Acacia wood cutting board. It's 16 by 8. It obviously comes with a handle. There are two different handle options. We're going with this one here, but you can buy a different one online as well. So what we're going to do is open it up, demonstrate it, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So first you'll get the plastic wrap off, which I already did. And then as you can see, you pop this open and it is a beautiful board. Again, even more plastic. Nice handle to operate with. Let me cut off the plastic here. Alright, so once the plastic is removed, you'll find you have a really nice smooth board. Again, great handle for gripping, decent size here, cutting board, and of course a very nice little rope hang. So you might want to tighten this up a little bit just to make sure, but that way you can hang it up as well if you choose, if that's your interest. So let's get to cutting.
That's actually a nice little cutting board. I like that the knife doesn't make any marks on the board.
As you can see, there's very little to any scratch inside the board, so overall very happy. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and worth buying.